Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel techCodio. My name is Bharat Kumar. Welcome to the Gemini series. It is episode number 7. So coming to the project task, we have done project text generation, document processing. In the vision we did 2 projects, image and video, and then in the last video we did project on audio. In that audio, the project name is audio to text. So if you haven't watched this video, please go and watch it out. Like in this video, when you give an audio, you can ask question to the audio directly. The model will give you the response from the audio file that you have uploaded. Got it? So guys, in this video, we are going to focus on mainly long context. What is long context? What is context window? And the limitations of using long context for audio, video, image and text. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit that like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Got it? So now let's begin the lecture. So guys, in this video, first we'll see the complete description, theory. And in the second half of the video, I'll try to show you the code, like how you can interact with the Gemini 1.5 Pro and as well Flash models. Got it? So guys, it is the Gemini documentation. So I'm explaining it directly from their documentation only. So let's see the long context. So coming to the Flash model, they are giving 1 million token of context window. And then coming to the 1.5 Pro, it comes with the 2 million context window. The context window means the prompt that you are giving right to the model, you can able to give up to 2 million tokens. When you use the Flash model, you can give up to 1 million tokens. So for the Gemini 1.5 long context, they are telling with near perfect retrieval 99% unlock many new use cases and developers paradigms. That means model can able to retrieve greater than 99% of the context that you have given in the prompt. So it's a 99% accuracy that model is giving the exact content what you passed in the prompt. Got it? So let's see what is a context window. The basic way to use Gemini 1.5 model is by passing information context to the model. Like I said, prompt, which will subsequently generate a response. So when you give a prompt, it will give you the response. An analogy for the context is short-term memory. There is a limited amount of information that can be stored in someone's short-term memory, and the same is true for generative AI models. So for example, in the first prompt, you have given some information. It will use that information up to the response only. After giving the response, it can't remember the data that what you have given to the prompt template. So when you ask the second question, the model can't able to access the first question that what you have asked. It is a short-term memory. So getting started with the long context, so let's come to the history. So previously, when the LLM model introduced, the model was introduced with the 88,000, but now they increased to the 32K and then 128K tokens. For example, let's consider Llama models. The Llama 2, previously it came with the 4,000 tokens, and then Llama 3, it came with the 8K tokens, and then Llama 3.1, it came with the 128K context window. Like that, they are improving. So every generative AI model is evolving day by day. It is a summary for this context. So let's see this in practice. The 1 million tokens, how would you like to use? 50 lines of code with the standard 8 characters per line. This can become the 1 million tokens. 50 lines of with standard 80 characters per the is approximately equal to the 1 million token. All the text messages that you have sent in last 5 years, it can also approximately equal to the 1 million token according to the sample example only. Not the exact example, a sample example. And then 8 average length English novels. You can up to give 8 average English novels, which can approximately equal to the 1 million tokens only. And coming to the transcripts of over 200 average length podcast. For example, you can give up to 200 audio content. Got it? And coming to the audio also, you can give only up to 9.5 hours only. Remember that in the previous video I explained completely about this audio. Got it? So it is about the long context getting started. So guys, if you want to read complete, please go and read it because it is not required for our video. So let's see long form text. You can ask to the model, summarize a large corpus of text. It is going to summarize that. And question answering. You can able to pass the content to the model and then you can able to get the answer without any rack. And then agentic workflows. You can able to work with the agentic workflow as well. Text is the underpinning of how agents keep state of what they have done and what they have need to do. Not having enough information about the world and agents' goal is limitation on the reliability of agents. So coming to the long form video as well, you can give up to 10 hours of video content to the long form video. These are the tasks that model can do. Because in the video audio, I explained completely what the model can do on the audio. Got it? So that's why I'm not repeating it again. Got it? So guys, it is a basic overview of the long context. So when we see the coding, then you can able to understand easily. Like guys, if you watch my previous 6 videos, then you can able to understand easily. The long context means the prompt that we are passing to the model. So for example, I'll show you the sample demo. So guys, you can see it is this prompt contains only 40 tokens, but you can give up to 1 million tokens. It is a context window that we can able to give it to the model. Right? As simple as it is. Don't get scared of this documentation. It's a very simple documentation, but we have to read it twice, thrice. Then only we can able to understand. And also, if you follow the previous videos, then you can able to catch up easily. So guys, let's begin the coding. So before going for the coding, you have to create your API key from the Google. So you have to come to this site, aistudio.google.com, and also I'll leave a link in the description. Please go and check it out. Create the API key. Then you can able to see your API key here. The API key will be displayed here. So while creating API key, you have to select a project. If you haven't created any project, then go to the Google, try to search for the Google AI project. Then you can able to create the project. In the previous video, I explained how to create the projects. So after creating API key, then you need to come to the VS Code. First create .env file, .env. Here you can see it is my .env. In that, give the variable Google API key and then equal, pass your API key. Like this. So we are directly taking the API key from the .env file because I don't want to show my API key. That's why I use this .env. Import .env. First you have to import OS. Import .env, .env.load.env. Then I can directly get my API key from the .env. See os.getEnv. Directly it will load the .env file and then it will display the key what I am asking for. So in order to run this code, you have to install this package. Pip install -q google -generative AI. Then we have to import this package. Import google.generative AI as gen AI. These are the imports and loading the AI key. Then model configuration. You have to pass temperature, top P, top K, maximum output tokens to the model. These are the parameters that we need to pass to the model. All these parameters I explained in the previous video as well. Output means we have given this many maximum tokens. So the model can give up to this many tokens only. It can't exceed rather than this limit. And the temperature is adding the randomness and the top probability. It is going to pick the 80% of words that you are asking in the prompt. And the top key. Similar words it will try to extract from the model. And then model equal to gen AI dot generative AI model. Model name equal to, here I have given Flash. You can able to give the Pro also. First we have to try with the Flash, then we'll try with the Pro as well. Response equal to model.generative AI content. Here I'm asking this question. Explain about the Google Gemini models in 5 lines. And then I'm printing my response.text. Got it? Let's run this. See guys, you can see I got the answer within 5 lines only. Got it, right? So let's see the response. From the response, I'm getting only the text. Response.text. It is a complete response that we got from the model. So from the response, I'm taking only the text. Got it? So guys, it's a very simple code. I'll upload this code in the description as well. Please go and check it out. Try with the Pro as well. Same code, you just need to change the model name. See, it gave the 5 lines with a space separated, but the Flash gave within the single line. Let's see the response. The response is only in the single line, but when we are extracting the text, it is giving the new line in between the each line of text. So guys, we are done with the long context. It is a long context that you are passing to the model. Here you can give up to 1 million tokens. You just need to give triple inverted commas, then pass as much information you want. Here you can pass up to 1 million tokens for the Flash and 2 million token for the Pro. That's it. And for video, you can able to pass only 10 hours of video content, and for audio you can able to pass only 9.5 hours of audio content to the model. That's it guys. So guys, bye for now. See you in the next video. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit that like button